Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you haven't button print screen and you need to make a screenshot. So how you can do it? So just go to search tab and just write in search tab display keyboard. So just open display keyboard and here you will see also print screen. So just click on Windows and print screen and it will successfully make a screenshot. So let's check. Let's open our file manager and check if we successfully made a new screenshot. So just go to images and images from, and here you can also see our images we made recently. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.